to bump up our fraction operations to dividing. Nothing new today. You've divided plenty, so a lot of it is going to be review. But the only addition is we are going to have variables, a part of our fraction. So your learning target, you are going to be able to multiply, you will be able to do that today, and divide rational numbers with variables. So dividing fractions. The first thing you need to do, always, top priority, make sure there are no mixed numbers. You will not get the right answer if you leave it mixed. Second, turn into multiplication of the, what's the vocab word? Reciprocal. Yeah, reciprocal of the second fraction. And then you're going to cross simplify and multiply. So cross simplify and multiply. Usually you know to cross simplify. Well, I'm a visual kind of person, I'm not a words kind of person, but some of you are. Some of you like to read the steps. I like to visually see. Well, I know first make sure that there's no mixed numbers, and then you go first fraction times reciprocal. That's easier for me to handle. Yes, Mike? Yep, you flip them around. Reciprocal is where the top becomes the bottom and the bottom becomes the top. Okay, so first example here, 2 2/3 divided by 8/9. I have a mixed number, so I turn that into an improper fraction. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8/3. I'm just going to go ahead and jump right to timesing it by the reciprocal. So first fraction times the reciprocal. What's the reciprocal of 8/9? Huh? 9/8. Flip it. Cross simplify, which turns into 3. First times reciprocal. That's how I handle this. First times reciprocal. Okay? I can't do that yet. I need to be able to have improper fraction. So what's 15 plus 12? 27? Don't cross, you know what a lot of kids do wrong? They cross simplify first. You can't cross simplify until you turn it to multiplication. So now it's going to be first fraction times the reciprocal. What's the reciprocal of 27/15?
15.
Mm-hmm. I'm going to move this right there. Okay, now I can cross simplify. Top times top over bottom times bottom, and simplify it further. Okay? So again, strategy. Make sure there's no mixed numbers, and then you do first fraction times the reciprocal of the second. You can't cross simplify until you turn it to multiplication. Okay. As 7th graders, we bump it up with variables. We already did the multiplication one previously, so I'm not going to do any of these. We do want to, it's just like cross simplifying. If the variables are on the diagonal, you can cross them out. Remember yesterday we also learned the strategy that you could do it at the end as well, if that works better for you. Another thing I remember for division, first times the reciprocal. First fraction times the reciprocal. So, first fraction, a over 7, times the reciprocal. The reciprocal is 21 over 2a. Cross simplify. The a's cancel out. Now top times top over bottom times bottom. 3 halves, which is 1 and 1 half. Now if you don't like, I'll just show you this other strategy. If you don't like cross simplifying the variables, you could still do it fine and just cross simplify the numbers. And you'd get 3a over 2a, and then you could see that the a's cancel out that way. You could do that too. Whatever works best for your beautiful brain. Okay, 4 divided by 8 over x. First times reciprocal. First, I'm turning it into a fraction. First times reciprocal. Cross simplify. Top times top. What's on the top? Tell me loud.
X.
Thanks. What's on the bottom?
2.
Done. X over 2. So that's your learning target today, nice and short. You can divide fractions with variables. Do you feel like you can do it?